into a traditional police precinct today, and you will see an immediate operational bottleneck. The physical paperwork and manual entry logs often stack up, burying the dispatch desk in a constant backlog. When an emergency is called in, these disconnected systems slow down the flow of information. The result is a critical delay in communication during the exact moments when every second counts. Over the next 5 to 10 years, law enforcement agencies are expected to move away from these silo tools to address this communication gap. This shift is built on 3 technological pillars: cloud-based AI systems, tactical robotics, and dedicated digital evidence hubs. This moves the station away from a reactive model, where information is trapped in folders, and toward a network where data is shared across the department in real time. To see how this works, we can follow a single incident. A 911 call comes in, starting the response clock.
Currently, many departments rely on localized servers that struggle to share data between jurisdictions. Cloud CAD, or computer-aided dispatch, replaces these servers with a network that can instantly notify multiple agencies at once. At the same time, AI desks begin processing the call. An AI triage system analyzes the incoming audio and data as the dispatcher speaks. The software identifies keywords, verifies the caller's location, and flags potential hazards from previous records. It organizes the threat level before an officer even reaches their vehicle. This initial triage means that units are dispatched based on verified, data-driven analysis rather than the limitations of a single manual intake. As officers move into the field, the Real-Time Crime Center, or RTCC, takes over as the central monitoring hub for the event. For an immediate overhead view, autonomous drones can launch from automated pods on the roofs of responding cruisers.
These drones stream live video through the cloud directly to the RTCC. This provides the department with a visual of the scene before human officers arrive on the ground. If the situation involves a high-risk area, ground-based robotic units can be deployed. These units handle the initial physical approach to unknown or hazardous environments. By integrating RTCC oversight with these robotic tools, departments can gather intelligence and navigate risks while keeping human officers at a safer distance. When the physical scene is secured, the process shifts from response to data preservation. All the information gathered is sent to a digital evidence room, a secure, centralized repository for every piece of data related to the incident. First, drone footage, detailed AI logs, and body cam video are automatically compiled into an encrypted case file. This creates a digital chain of custody. As the data moves from the street to the courtroom, cryptographic logging tracks every access attempt. It provides a verified record that the evidence hasn't been modified. Without this verified chain of custody, the most advanced field technology is unable to provide the level of proof required for a legal conviction. This shift in technology is focused on 2 practical outcomes: improving systemic oversight and reducing physical risks to officers. AI triage at the start of an incident helps ensure that critical information is not lost during the initial rush of a 911 call. Tactical drones and robotic support change the nature of fieldwork, allowing departments to assess threats without immediately exposing people to harm. When we look at the entire life cycle, from intake to the courtroom, the use of a digital chain of custody ensures that the final judicial process is based on a transparent and verifiable record. The police station of the future is defined less by its physical walls and more by this interconnected digital ecosystem, linking every officer to a shared, real-time network of information.